case is filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
105 North Avenue.
Previously on Creek Cops.
Hello, I'm Murder Murphy. Murder Murphy, what are you doing out of your cell? Get back here, boy. I don't wanna. I wanna keep on murdering people. Come get me.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Dang got you, Murder Murphy. Nowhere to run. God dang it.
This is CNN.
Sad news out of Creekville today, as Officer Jackson Smitty III was killed in cold blood by recent prison escapee and former killer Murderin' Murphy. A press release is expected later today. Murphy remains on the run, and any local citizens are asked to call Officer Llewellyn Davis with any additional information.
Something happening here, but what it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Being drawn, nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
I think I know how to find them. You got a lot of loving. Should do me. Oh, I found you. Now I'm gonna get you, you damn varmint. I'm gonna get you. I got you. Oh, dang it. Schmitty?
Yeah?
Aren't you supposed to be dead?
Oh, right.
Oh, no. This one's for you, Smitty.